Hello. My name is Monzi and I will be your guide for this accounting software. Today, in this video, we will learn how to create an account in Target One ERP Software. So let's go. First, click on Create a New Company. First of all, enter the name of your company or organization here. Press Enter. Type here your address line 1. Press Enter. Type address line 2. Press Enter after every entry. Type your city name. Type your state name. This software automatically raises the state code as soon as you enter the name of the state. Enter your phone number. Enter your mobile number. Type your email address. If you have a website, then type the address of your website. Here you write your VAT number or GST number. The business you deal in here is written here. According to the current date, the financial itself decides. You can manually change it as well. Here you write your username and password. This writes by default 1. Finally you click on the Create Company button. Click on OK button. Your company is ready. In this way you can create as many companies as you want in the Target One ERP software. OK, you double-click on your company name or select it by pressing Enter. Write your username and password, one which you decided on your own. Press Enter. Now, you have entered the main dashboard of your software. In this way, you can log in by creating a new company in Target One ERP software. You can download Target One ERP software from our website for free, whose link is given in the description. Check out the next video to learn more about the software. If you have any suggestions, complaints, or any questions related to your Target One ERP software, then type in the comment box. If you like the video, do not forget to like and share. Also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the first video notification first. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. See you next time. You can write to us at info@modernwebz.com. Please visit our website at www.modernwebz.com.